quick little video here for you. We've put in about 20 briquettes into a Weber. We're going to use indirect heat cooking for some tandoori chicken. So 20 briquettes and about 2 or 3 firelighters. They're starting to heat up and starting to burn off, and you'll see in a minute what happens next. So folks, now we've put on a couple of decent bits of charcoal. We're going to let that catch, and then we'll mix all that together to make a beautiful fire for our tandoori chicken. And remember, this is an indirect way of cooking on a Weber barbecue. Same thing can be applied to a spit or a spit roaster, mini jumbuck, and you'll see in a few minutes what happens next. Now you can see we've spread out the charcoal and the briquettes, and we're letting those fire up a bit. We've put our plate on the top here. This is going to be our cooking area over here, and the briquettes have really lit that charcoal well. So we'll leave that for a few minutes, then we'll pop the lid on, let it smoke for a bit, and we'll show you what the next step is. Now here we are, 40 minutes later. We've got some beautiful coals from the charcoal and from our hardwood briquettes, and you can see on this side we've got the cool side. That's where we're going to put our tandoori chicken. So you can see here we've got our chicken that's been marinated in chili, turmeric, some tandoori colouring, and plenty of chili, some garam masala, and also some pepper, some salt, and a few other bits and pieces, a little bit of curry powder. That's all ready to go on the barbecue now. You can see we've kept that well back from the hot side, and we're doing the indirect method here of cooking some beautiful tandoori chicken. So let's pop the lid on, and we'll leave that for about 15 minutes. So we've popped the lid on, and she's smoking away. We're going to leave that for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to turn it over and leave it for about another 5. So we can see now that our tandoori chicken is cooking nicely on the cooler side of the barbecue. You can see we've got those nice hot coals there with some charcoal, some hardwood briquettes, beautiful smoky flavour coming through that chicken. So it's all happening here, and we'll turn it over now and leave it for another 5 minutes. So there we go, completely finished and absolutely delicious. Some beautiful tandoori chicken tikka. It is just amazingly good. I've already had a few pieces, and just mix up some yogurt and cucumber, bit of seagull we call it, and whack that on, and what a great dish. Great entree.